Hi, I'm Ed Walsh and I'm the series editor for the Collins Key Stage 3 Science Materials. I'd like to take this opportunity of introducing myself and saying a little bit about some of my ideas and experiences, and then you may well find those useful in terms of positioning the materials and seeing where they're coming from. I think the first thing that I should say is that I was a teacher in secondary schools for 20 years, and I'm very used to the experience of teaching lessons on a daily basis, trying to make science interesting and engaging and effective. And for 12 of those years I was a subject leader, and therefore that I'm quite familiar with the challenge and the opportunities provided in trying to make sure that pupils of different ages and different levels of aspiration and ability are engaged and involved and finding science meaningful. I left my classroom and started going into a lot of other people's classrooms about 10 or 11 years ago, and I work full-time for Cornwall Learning now. What I do with this, a number of different activities, but a fair amount of time, for example, is spent in classrooms supporting teachers, observing lessons, providing feedback and making suggestions for how teaching can be improved. And a number of those ideas are ones that are coming through in the materials. The idea is very much to provide effective support and guidance and lesson strategies that will work with a number of different kinds of pupils. What I also spend time doing as well is running training courses for teachers, and I'm quite familiar with the kind of challenges that teachers face as well as the things that they find useful, and these features are coming through as well. And I've had quite a lot of experience with writing and editing materials, and I quite firmly believe that the materials that we're working on now are some of the best that we've ever done, and I think that we've got some really exciting and engaging ideas.